Beef stroganoff on sourdough egg noodles. Yeah, I think we should make it. Got my pot going here. I'm going to add some olive oil. Half of the beef. And sear it. All right, I'm going to turn this down a little bit and get the second half of the beef out of there. It's nicely browned. Add some butter. I have a yellow onion that I diced. I'm gonna let these go for a while until they're translucent. The recipe calls for mushrooms, but I didn't want to go to the store to get mushrooms, so I'm gonna change it up. It's completely different, but I'm gonna add some tomato paste that I have left over. Fry that up a bit to get the flavor out. Chopped up about 4 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna add that into the middle here where I've made a little space for them, and I'm gonna cook them for like 30 minutes. 30 minutes. No, not 30 minutes. 30 seconds. A minute till I can start smelling them. A little bit of flour. I have some California champagne here left over from a party last week. Anyway, it's not drinkable anymore, so I'm going to use this to deglaze. And add about 2 cups of water. And one of my favorites, beef base, better than bouillon. Say about a heaping teaspoon. Oh man, that stuff is so delicious. Some pepper. Man, I just got this thing and I just love it so much. Add the meat back in, along with the juices, of course. It's come up to a simmer, so I'm gonna put the lid on and let this go for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I've got sourdough noodles here. I'm gonna throw them in some boiling water. I've got creme fraiche here. I made it myself. It's really easy. You'll find the recipe at chrisbakesandoi.com. So I'm gonna add some of that. Check for salt. Yeah, could use a little. All right, let's put some of this on there. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. All right, let's try this. Oh, man. It's raining today in Ojai. This is the perfect comfort food for that.